10 seconds of unsealed Mars, and your lungs lose the argument. I slap a cracked panel closed, then tug test the latch as walking becomes controlled floating. Survival here isn't bravery, it's keeping fragile machines breathing for us. I cycle the airlock wheel, then lift. Every breath costs power. Every mistake costs time we don't own. I pace a grid in drift-like steps, then drop reflect.
I pushed the probe down, then read the depth marks by touch to verify compaction while controlled floating steadies in 0.38 dreams. Pick the site like your heartbeat depends on the ground's honesty.
On Mars, breathing is manufacturing. Your lungs are a power bill. I seat the intake hose, then twist lock and pull to verify it won't. I wipe the gasket lip. I pump to prime the loop, then feel consistent resistance to verify flow while half hops glide in 0.38 grams. Water isn't drinking here. It's oxygen, fuel, and shielding, one substance. I advance one segment, then check depth marks to verify progress while half hops glide in 0.38 grams. You don't die from drama. You die from systems failing quietly, on schedule.
I mount the meter at Hab 1.
I brush in one direction, then wipe with a tack cloth to verify a smooth airflow surface while drift-like steps steady in 0.38 grams.
I press the mat down, then peel test a corner to verify adhesion as half hops glide in 0.38 grams.
The habitat isn't walls, it's routines that prevent one-time failure. I stomp the plate in slow rebound strides, then check.
A sealed door body more sample.
I open the valve gradually, then watch seams straighten to verify uniform inflate as boots skim regolith in 0.38 grams. If we can grow life sealed inside, we can survive the long haul. I cut the seal tape, then inspect for dust intrusion to verify.
I wipe the gasket in one pass, then inspect the sheen to verify no grit while half hops glide in 0.38 grams.
I connect the jug to the wash port, then feel hose vibration to verify flow as boot skim regolith in 0.38 grams. I run the test strip in the chamber, then compare to chart to verify perchlorate presence while half hops glide in 0.38 grams. I start the thermal cycle, then confirm steady hum to verify heating while controlled floating steps move in 0.38 grams.
Plants only live here, pressurized. Outside is a vacuum-shaped lie. I mount a tray rail, then pull test the screws.
Three equations run this world: air, water, energy. Solve them daily. I connect the line, then tug check the collar to verify lock as controlled floating steps move in 0.38 G. I mount the curtain rod, then yank it to verify it won't fall as walking becomes controlled floating in 0.38 grams. I seat the duct, then pull test to verify it won't slip as boot skim regolith in 0.38 grams. On Earth, water falls from sky. Here, it's engineered mercy. I connect the sealed line, then feel for
I cycle the valve twice, then feel smooth stop to verify no binding as boot skim regolith in 0.38 grams.
I mark liters recovered, then cross-check against time to verify plausible sealed as half hops glide in 0.38 grams.
The twist of Mars is simple. Maintenance is the real expedition. I arrange seals by size, then count twice to verify I need the patch adhesive, then reseal the kit to verify it stays pliable as boot skim regolith in 0.38 grams.
This is the moment we stop camping and start building a future. I pour the cleaned regolith, then level it and
I wipe the tool, then let it dry and confirm no residue by touch as half hops glide in 0.38 grams.
If these seeds sprout, tomorrow isn't hope. It's engineering proven. I poke seed holes, then drop seeds and confirm.
I close each lid, then press corners to verify full contact while walking becomes controlled floating in 0.38 grams.
The colony's spine is water. Guard it like oxygen in a storm. I connect the sealed pour spout, then confirm the latch locks as half hops glide in 0.38 grams. I tighten until the stop, then back check a fraction to verify proper seating while drift-like steps steady in 0.38 grams. I trigger a single drip pulse, then watch the soil darken evenly to verify distribution while walking becomes controlled floating in 0.38 grams.
I place a glove on the battery case, then note steady fan vibration to verify charge, while drift-like steps steady in 0.38 grams.
Sunset is when Mars collects debts: heat, power, patience, and attention.
I retorque hinge bolts, then paint mark again to verify no movement as boots skim regolith in 0.38 grams.
On Mars, you don't just survive nature, you survive yourself, together.
One soul is practice for 500. Habits today, decide who breathes later.
I seal the airlock, then confirm latch.
I reseat the antenna connector, then key a test and hear return tone to verify signal as boot skim regolith in 0.38 dream.
If a machine stops for 30 minutes, you don't choose comfort, you choose who lives.
"500 days isn't time, it's repetition, and repetition breaks people first. I reset the checklist, then verify every
at night.
This is what 500 days means, fixing the same weakness before it kills you. I press the patch edge to verify the seal.
Before dawn, Mars is cruelest. Prove the habitat now, or lose it all.
Dawn means power, and power means breath. Today, we confirm we belong here. I angle the solar... The habitat stands because we keep showing up, one careful check at a time.
I add 2 regolith bags, then press and kick check.
I torque each anchor nut, then paint mark and recheck alignment to verify lock while drift-like steps steady in 0.38 grams. I recheck each marker, then confirm nothing shifted overnight to verify base stability as walking becomes controlled floating in 0.38 grams. We made one soul feel possible, now imagine day 500 with this discipline. I open the greenhouse window cover, then confirm